إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف. هذا هو الطيب منهم.
There will be times in life where Allah blesses you and you're going to be happy. There are going to be times in life where you may be sad. But Iman allows you to address those situations appropriately. And he will explain that in more detail. Yes, you will be able to deal correctly with the blessings and it will make you happier. Because some people, they may be blessed, but because of their misappropriation and their ingratitude, they become even more miserable. Sometimes you look at a person, you're complaining and Allah blessed you with such and such, and you're still complaining. Naam. So, those who believe in Allah with correct beliefs, they have foundations and fundamentals to deal with the events of happiness and to cope with the events of worry, anxiety and sadness. Therefore, they receive moments of happiness and joy with acceptance and gratitude. And they utilize them for that which is beneficial. So when Allah blesses them, they are thankful to Allah and they use these blessings in what is beneficial. When they approach them in this manner, it results in more delight. They become even happier. We heard in the khutbah, the ayah, your Lord has announced that if you are thankful, then surely we will increase you. But if you are ungrateful, then the punishment of Allah is severe. When they approach these blessings in this manner, it results in more delight, a desire for them to remain and be further blessed, and a hope to attain the reward of the thankful. These are amazing things that surpass, along with their good and blessings, the original pleasures which these fruits stem from. Meaning, ikhwan, look, a person even becomes happier. Allah blesses them. They are grateful. Grateful with their heart, with their tongue, and they use these blessings to please Allah, and they even become more happy, regardless of what situation they're in.